Oh. What? Oh.
Ew, just look at him.
Ooh. What are you barking? Oh, now you're biting your tail. Okay. What are you barking at? You barking at Samara.
No. He's barking to warn us that people are up and moving. The other day when he did that to you, that was so funny. Sherry's up! Sherry's up! Sherry's up!
Grandma alert! Grandma alert! Stranger! Stranger!
Don't look at that face. Wait till he turns around, tucks the lion down. Psst. Harley.
Woo. Get a crazy puppy. Murphy, easy.
They're playing.
You get a crazy puppy. You got the crazy puppy. You got the crazy puppy.
Looks up in there. Like that. I'm not quite sure what to make of Murphy yet.
I gotcha.
He's so protective. He is.
Murphy.
Harley, come here. Murphy, be easy. He's playing. You gotta be easy. Easy. I know. You want him to be big so you can rumble with him. Go get him. Where'd he go? Get the puppy. Get the puppy. Get the puppy. Get the puppy.
Oh, he's on Murphy's bed.
Skinny either.
He's on Murphy's
He
bed.
did the most skinny thing I've ever seen. Yeah.
Oh. Mommy, he just went after your carpet.
Yeah, I know. It's okay. He was dragging my sweater the other morning.
Ah.
I look over. I put my sweater on top of the basket in my room. And I look over and he is dragging it across the computer room.
He must be picking out your outfit then. Well, Harley really likes the catnip toy.
Yes, he does.
He likes the mouse.
He's commandeered it a couple times now.
But like he's chewing on it
I don't
now.
think any of the cats really play with it.
No.
The only thing Ruby Roo plays with is his little hard balls that, yeah. And there's 20 of them underneath.
Harley.
Yeah. I'm surprised there weren't more when we moved this fridge. Harley!
Oh, he's gonna.
Kaylin, can you get Murphy some fresh water, please, and some food?
Yep.